Well, Candace, it means for us, like it will for most of the state, that in about 30 hours' time, some of the COVID-19 restrictions we have been living under will be lifted, but some will remain. Now, before we get into why Governor Northam made today's announcement, let's look at today's COVID-19 numbers. The Virginia Department of Health reporting this morning that they have now had 26,746 cases of COVID-19 and 927 deaths linked to the virus. Meanwhile, the Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association says they have over 1,500 people hospitalized at the moment, but over 3,500 have been treated and released. And it is metrics like those that Governor Northam says have been trending in the right direction that have allowed him to make the decision he announced today.
I feel comfortable in allowing phase one to begin this Friday for most of our Commonwealth.
Governor Ralph Northam Wednesday as he announces his decision to start the reopening process and lift some COVID-19 restrictions.
Phase one will not be like turning on a light switch.
Under phase one, some of the changes include allowing non-essential retail and churches to open at 50% capacity, while some of the things staying the same include keeping entertainment venues closed.
We will still maintain the ban on gatherings of more than 10 people. We still urge businesses to keep their employees teleworking.
The one caveat to all this is that Northern Virginia will delay reopening for at least 2 weeks. Northam says that region's metrics around COVID-19 are trending in the wrong direction, while the rest of the state is seeing positive trends around things like PPE supply, hospital capacity, and percentage of positive cases.
All of these parameters will continue to be followed, and you know, even we talk about if there are more cases in the next few weeks, we're ready for that.
Officials also announced more measures to increase testing and contact tracing, two metrics they've said are key to reopening. For testing, Northam says they'll be announcing partnerships with retail stores in the coming days, while for contact tracers, officials say they're working to hire an additional 300 of them.
We are processing currently about 3,000 applications. We will be hiring supervisors in regional areas for this new additional workforce of contact tracers.
Now, Northam says phase one will last at least 2 weeks. However, his decision to start it is getting pushback, including from the Virginia Legislative Black Caucus, who say they're skeptical about hitting the metrics, including testing capacity, as the state isn't yet at the 10,000 per day mark they have mentioned they'd like to get to. They also have concerns that this will continue to exacerbate the disproportionate impact of the virus on communities of color. In response, as Northam's spokesperson said in part that the governor is committed to moving forward in a safe, gradual manner in a way that protects all Virginians. Working for you at the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.